Over the next several minutes, we're going to walk you through the installation of the BULLDOG Powered Drive Kit, which is ideal for horse, livestock, gooseneck, or any other heavy-duty trailer application using BULLDOG's 12,000-pound single and two-speed jacks or 25,000-pound single-speed twin-cam jacks. What sets the BULLDOG kit apart from the competing products is the ease of installation, robust design, and 7,500-pound lift capacity. The BULLDOG Powered Drive Kit is engineered to work in harmony with BULLDOG jacks to completely take the strain off the user. The BULLDOG Powered Drive Kit includes the powered drive motor, torque stop tube with energy absorption device, replacement bevel gear and dowel pin, terminal box, wiring harness and switch box, hex coupling, and weather-resistant cover. Let's get started on the installation. First, we're going to remove the connecting shaft and the crank handle. Next, we'll remove the two gearbox cover screws and the gearbox cover. Pull the compression spring away from the pinion gear, allowing that pin to slide out of the shaft. Ensure that the pin does not fall into the gear set. Rotate the cross shaft approximately 45 degrees or until the straight pin clears the teeth of the lower bevel gear. The cross shaft can now be freely removed, leaving the gear set and compression spring right in place. Replace the jack cross shaft temporarily with the power drive motor. Install the motor such that the power drive is on the non-geared side of the jack with the motor side down and within the profile of the jack. For a tandem jack system, the power drive should be in between the two jacks and installed on the street side jack. With the power drive motor temporarily installed, use it to mark the location of that torque stop tube on the outer jack tube wall. Remove the power drive motor and weld the torque stop tube onto the outer tube at your marked location. Make sure to replace the energy-absorbing rubber bumper into the torque stop tube when reassembling. This prevents the motor from rotating. To secure the motor, slide the compression spring back and expose the hole in the bevel gear. Rotate the motor shaft to align the gear in the shaft hole. Insert the pin and release the compression spring. Replace the gearbox cover with the two screws we had previously removed. Make sure that the jacks are in the same position in reference to the ground prior to final connection. If you plan to run tandem jacks from the power drive, you'll need to use the included hex coupling. This coupling can be welded to a length of 1-inch Schedule 40 steel pipe. Slide the hex coupling end of the pipe over the hex shaft of the power drive. Cut the other end of the pipe such that it will just clear the end of the second jack's cross shaft. Drill a 3/8-inch hole approximately 1 inch from the end of the pipe. Slide the pipe over the second jack's cross shaft and attach with a grade 5 3/8 by 2-inch long bolt. Torque these bolts to 6 foot-pounds. Your option is to apply a thread lock or retaining compound to the bolts. To avoid accidental shock and/or damage to the electrical system, disconnect the battery ground cable. Attach a terminal box to the trailer at a location that will allow for the connection of the power drive leads to the terminal box studs. If needed, the power drive leads can be extended with 10-gauge wiring and new ring terminals to reach the terminal box. Locate and attach the switch box of the wiring harness at a desired location on the trailer. Route the switch wires to the terminal box in such a manner to keep them out of harm's way, and use the supplied grommets where the wiring enters the terminal box. Connect the power drive leads and the wiring harness leads to the terminal box studs with the included star washers and nuts according to the wiring diagram in the instructions. To protect the leads, enclose them in a section of non-split tubing or loom. Connect the battery leads to the terminal box studs. Affix the terminal box cover with the provided screws. Reconnect the battery ground and test the operation of the power drive. Attach the power drive cover using a 1/4-inch by 1-inch long bolts and 1/4-inch rubber bonded washers. Sandwich the cover between the two rubber bonded washers on each bolt with the rubber side against the cover. Then screw the bolts into the mounting flange holes.
BULLDOG jacks are tough and trusted. Choose BULLDOG jacks for uncompromised durability and reliable performance in true heavy-duty applications. BULLDOG jacks include patented features that extend service life by protecting internal components from damage. The BULLDOG best-in-class 5-year warranty is supported by genuine replacement parts and provides the best overall value in the trailer business.